I
Alright,
know.
Wait, I need to go drop my axes.
yeah, drop your axes.
Oh my god! It starts already.
Oh my god, it's got freaking butt legs, swear. Blacklisted him and he left. They're
What the
on
hell? Where did my truck go?
they're still on my base.
Oh, give me this lights, please.
Yo,
Those.
what? Who respawned my truck?
I
No
think that
one.
was my truck, dude.
Oh, yeah, I think you took John John's truck. You came in a small truck that John then flipped.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
I, I think I took your truck. Where are you? I'll pick you up. Where are you?
You hit me.
Oh, he thought. Oh my god, yo, dragging.
I've been
don't
here,
move.
Jack.
No, you're not supposed to move. Alright, your base.
I'm just standing on the front.
It's okay. It might be bumpy.
Oh, I fell. Oh, I got a black one.
That's racist. Wait, no, you guys can't go yet without me, cause then
Look, it already went.
Too late.
Yeah, too late now.
Is it too late now? Say so. Nope.
Yes, it is actually too late.
No, it ain't. Look, man, I still paying you your 12K.
True.
Oh, true.
No, don't. I'm gonna kill you both.
How? Why?
Cause you both went out without me.
I was just following the leader.
Oh, I pushed them.
We'll tell you when they're like fully gone. There's still a ton of them.
There's like a tripwire once you start killing.
You're about to push me.
Sparta.
Oh, you wouldn't do it.
You want to
No.
bet?
No, because then we need to wait on you.
Sparta.
He did it.
Yeah.
Kevin died.
Died. His
Died.
whole truck went with them.
With
And I
himself.
caught that video.
Like there's none coming. Honestly.
I swear these boulders take forever.
You boulders, we ain't need your money yet.
You got to see. Oh wait, I have no axe.
Oh god, we're dead.
No, you guys are so dead.
No,
No, you pushed me into it.
God.
Go.
No, you gotta pick me up.
You just ditch, John. You guys are screwed.
No, I'm stuck. No.
My
You might as well just show yourself.
No, I fell.
I believe.
John fell.
I believe.
No, the
Look
smart
what's about to do it. Look what's about to do it. Hey, look what's about to do it.
No, look who's gonna die while you
He made it.
Really?
Yeah,
Lying.
with like half health.
Half
Yep.
or half death?
Yo, I just built a random blueprint.
What?
I must have built a random blueprint on one of our bases.
He
He made it.
took
Alright.
black.
Dude, black
Did
is
you literally just stand there and wait till you got a black one?
that blue one?
Who joined?
No.
2, 1. I guess we start.
No.
2.
Alright, we're going even lower. Like,
2.
alright, so guys, we're going to different. Oh no, I fell off. So
No.
no, like guys, can you use the freaking
I got this.
Hey, flip my car over, man.
No.
I win. I won.
No, Lukeman's still alive. Lukeman's truck is still alive.
How?
Because they flipped over and yet it's still alive. So you gotta.
What?
Yeah, I swear, like I'm in it right now.
But I technically won.
No, you didn't, because it wasn't King of the Hill. It was Powers. 60.
Yo, your truck just did a 180.
How you?
What the hell?
Lad, please, babe, please, lad. Lad, boy. So we're gonna start from here, right? All right, let's go.
Yeet.
Like if you attack me, like you're gonna lose. My.
How you thought?
Ah!
You thought? Get off.
He's like scorpion. Yo,
Get off.
let's push him up to the edge. Let's push
Yo,
him to
I'm
the edge.
stuck.
Let's go.
No.
Get him. No, turn.
No.
Ooh, I did 180. Tell me why I'm about to do.
Wow! I just did a 180. Oh, I did a 360.
Good job, John.
Sorry, guys.
What?
You
What?
see that? That was like impossible crap. Kevin was like, I'm gonna blow your truck now.
Oh,
Ow.
damn.
Oh, Lewis is out.
I'm gonna use my special weapon.
Come on.
Come at me, boy. I'm coming for you. I will do that. Come at me, boy.
Hey, we got a private server. Well, basically a private
Oh,
server.
what the f?
Oh!
Oh, I landed.
You landed!
You landed.
You landed! I caught that on video.
Me too.
No, that's Transformer crap, guys. That's
Hey, hey!
No, he didn't win yet until my car. If I can flip it over, like.
What? No, that's cheating.
No, that's not cheating. Yeah, I'm like not. I'm not gonna count you out because that's like.
Chill.
Yo, yeah, yo, Kevin, help me. Oh,
I
never mind.
got you.
Oh, yo, that was a perfect flip. Did you guys get that on camera where my car?
Yeah.
flipped?
Yeah.
That was lit, right? It's like it was about to kill me, but. It's
Why is your truck the only one doing good tricks?
Cause I remember I'm a master at this. Did you guys see the video?
What
Well, I
video?
hear you.
Oh,
Oh! I just got that.
Where are you going?
God damn.
No, I just got that. Which
I
cave?
can hear y'all's truck up there.
Oh no!
Got him! Got him! Got
No!
Skirt.
Chill!
No, let him bump into it. Let him bump into it.
No, I want to see who's stronger, me or his car. So let's go.
Obviously you.
Go, let's go. Go.
Ah, crap. Hold up.
Go.
Hey, you thought. Oh, chill.
Oh god, oh god. Yo, go, go,
Got
go.
it, got it.
Wait, what?
Well, guys, this is YouTube. Bye.